Over the last several days, we've averaged around 700,000 reported vaccinations each day, and we are on track to hit 1 million per day in a week to 10 days' time. In total, we have more than 9 million first vaccinations already given, far more than any Western country. By the end of next week, 95% of long-term care facilities will have had their first visit with vaccine doses. Every vaccine dose that is sitting in a warehouse rather than going into an arm could mean one more life lost or one more hospital bed occupied. The next phase has several components. First, we're expanding the groups getting vaccinated because state restrictions on eligibility have obstructed speed and accessibility of administration. Second, we're telling states to expand the channels and access points for administering vaccines, and we're helping them to do so. Third, we are releasing the entire supply we have for order by states rather than holding second doses in physical reserve. Fourth, we are announcing a forthcoming change to how we allocate doses in order to encourage states to support rapid vaccination and to focus on the most vulnerable.
We now are at a time where actually there's more vaccine available than's being requested for vaccination within the 1A group. The ACIP and CDC guidelines that came out on vaccination to the states were never meant to be somehow finish the first phase, then you move to the second phase, then you move to the third. So I'm here as the CDC Director to ask our governors to echo what the Secretary said and strongly recommend that vaccination now be expanded to those individuals 65 or over, and those individuals between 16 or 18, depending on the vaccine being used, to 64 that have a comorbidity with a medical documentation of such.
I hope that the next team with the Biden administration will be able to carry forward these results. We will do everything in our power to ensure a smooth and effective continued transition. The first meeting, I believe, of any transition team between this administration and the Biden administration was before Thanksgiving, and it was for Operation Warp Speed. And we'll continue those efforts up through the last day of this administration and into the Biden administration.